Wanna know how to check or download your personal data in Reolink? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Reolink application. So once you've opened up the application, here, if you have an app password, you can just simply type it up and log in. And now you should be welcomed with this whole menu right here. And on the bottom right side, you should be seeing me icon. Just simply select it and then head towards settings right here, or just simply head towards your profile first up. Once you've selected your profile, here you should be seeing two-factor authentication. So simply select two-factor authentication right here, and once you've on it, you should be directed to a small browser of Reolink. So scroll all the way down until you see manage your data. Just simply select check right here, and once you've on it, you can just scroll down a little bit until you see download your personal data. So you can just simply request data right here, and then simply select send code. So your verification code should be sent first up, and once the code has been successfully sent and you have copied and pasted it, the data downloading should be requested and should be able to do it in a few days. So right here you can also see the terms and conditions and how it is done, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.